Hey YouTube, Baseball 10182 here. I have a 2012 Topps Chrome Hobby Baseball box for you guys today, so I'm going to break this right now. Dig right into it. It's my first hobby box of this stuff, so see what we'll get out of here. Should be fun, right? So that's how it goes. Just pull out all the packs. There you go. Here are the packs. Let's start at first pack. Ryan Vogelsong. Derek Jeter Refractor. This is a good way to start it off, huh? Ike Davis and Evan Longoria. Got a blue refractor in here. Sweet. Tom Malone, Mark Teixeira, Alexi Liddy, Jared Weaver blue refractor. Sweet. That one is numbered to 199. So already getting some color out of this one. Make a little pile of stuff over here. Not that, put all the base here. Blue refractors there. Alrighty. Perfect. Sweet. Blue refractor already, guys. Can't complain. Kelvin Herrera, Mike Napoli, Sean Markham refractor, and Hisashi Iwakuma. Jacoby Ellsbury, Ryan Howard refractor, Bryce Harper rookie. There we go. I was looking for that one. And Chris Davis. Sweet. Bryce Harper rookie card already. Can't complain. I'm looking for that one. This one feels pretty. Maybe it's not thick. I don't know. Okay. Got Taylor Green rookie, Clayton Kershaw, Adrian Gonzalez, X-Fractor, and Howie Kendrick. Okay. Jamile Weeks, John Lester, Jason Kipnis, and Chris Sale. All base. Josh Johnson, Mark Trumbo, Sean Markham, and Jason Worth. All base. Josh Beckett, Johnny Cueto, Leonis Martin, and Leonis Martin base. So, refractor and base of the same guy. Alright. Drew Hutchison, rookie, Giancarlo Stanton, Andre Ethier, and R.A. Dickey. Space piles getting big already. This is not working here. Looks like we got some color in this one. This is a black refractor. Sweet. Ubaldo Jimenez. Hope we see some ink on this one. Drew Stubbs, Roy Halladay, and Irving Falou black refractor. So it's not no ink, but it is numbered to 100. So we are seeing some nice refractors in here so far. Sweet. Alrighty. Freddie Freeman, Jeremy Hellickson, Chris Sale refractor, and Asdrubal Cabrera. Asdrubal, as I like to call him. Next in here. There's a black and a blue already. That's pretty sweet. Chipper Jones, Kyle Blanks, X-Fractor. Yep. Michael Young, Yonder Alonso. Alrighty. Lucas Duda, Kyle Blanks, Lance Berkman, Extractor, and Andrew McCutcheon. This might be an auto pack here. I don't know, sometimes they're a little bit thinner. Oh, here's a gold in here. Buster Posey, Mike Moustakas, Ryan Braun, and Justin Upton gold. Man, I'm getting all the refractors in here. Got 3 colors so far. Sweet. You can get an autograph on one of these. The Justin Upton is numbered to 50. Sweet. Brandon Phillips, Matt Dominguez refractor rookie card. BJ Upton and Justin Morneau. It's a pretty sweet break so far. Chris Young, Eric Hosmer, Willie Peralta, and Ian Kennedy. Joe Mauer, Dylan Betances rookie card, refractor. CDs Escobar and Derek Lowe. Will Middlebrooks rookie. Yvonne Gallardo, Matt Kemp die cut. That's nice. And Jason Mont. Die cut thing here too. Not numbered, but pretty sweet. Alrighty. Jimmy Rollins, Michael Pineda, Nigel Morgan, and Colin Cowgill. Pineda. That's photoshopped. Keep going here. Ricky Romero. Jared Parker is my first autograph, so that one's cool. Rookie card, auto. CC Sabathia and Norichiki Aoki. That's a nice one. Pretty sweet. Dylan Betances rookie, Derek Jeter, and Brett Lawrie autograph, so that's a good one there. That is a sweet one right there. Can't complain with the Brett Lawrie autograph. Pretty sweet. Jared Parker and Brett Lawrie back to back. David Freese. So those are all the autographs. Can't complain with Brett Lawrie. Matt Dominguez, Ryan Howard, Jason Worth, refractor, and Madison Bumgarner. Let's see what else we got here. Austin Romine, Mike Moustakas, Miguel Montero, and Zach Cozart. Mike Moustakas is the next refractor. And last pack is going to be Zach Greinke, Carlos Santana, Michael Morse, and Mark Reynolds. So pretty sweet break right there. These are all the base. Got a die cut of Matt Kemp. Refractors, Chris Sale, Leonis Martin, Ryan Howard, Sean Markham, and Derek Jeter. So I got 5 regular refractors. Or actually, I got more than that. Well, I got 4 X's. Adrian Gonzalez, Kyle Blanks, Lance Berkman, and Mike Moustakas. Pretty sweet. Jason Worth, Dylan Betances, Matt Dominguez, Chris Sale, Leonis Martin, Ryan Howard, Sean Markham, and Derek Jeter were my regular refractors. And I got some color. Justin Upton gold, pretty sweet. That one's numbered to 50. I got Irving Falou card, black refractor. That one's numbered to 100. And a Jared Weaver blue refractor. And that one is numbered to 199. And my 2 autographs, a Jared Parker and a Brett Lawrie. Pretty freaking sweet. I like the Brett Lawrie one. That one's pretty cool. That one probably made the break there. So that'll wrap it up, guys. Oh, I also got the Bryce Harper rookie card. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Check out some more of my videos, and let me know how you liked it. Thanks.